Homeschooling for Kids. In this video, we will learn about animals and their young ones. Dog, puppy. Dog young ones is puppy. Cat, kitten. Cat young ones is kitten. Hen, chick. Hen young ones is chick. Duck, duckling. Duck young ones is duckling. Cow, calf. Cow young ones is calf. Pig, piglet. Pig young ones is piglet. Sheep, lamb. Sheep young ones is lamb. Goat, kid. Goat young ones is kid. Horse, colt. Horse young ones is colt. Buffalo, calf. Buffalo young ones is calf. Elephant, calf. Elephant young ones is calf. Butterfly, caterpillar. Butterfly young ones is caterpillar. Rabbit, kit. Rabbit young ones is kit. Fish, fry. Fish young ones is fry. Tiger, cub. Tiger young ones is cub. Kangaroo, joy. Kangaroo young ones is joy. Frog, tadpole. Frog young ones is tadpole. Lion, cub. Lion young ones is cub. Owl, owlet. Owl young ones is owlet. Spider, spiderling. Spider young ones is spiderling. Donkey, foal. Donkey young ones is foal. Monkey, infant. Monkey young ones is infant. Giraffe, calf. Giraffe young ones is calf. Deer, fawn. Deer young ones is fawn. Please like, share, subscribe to Homeschooling for Kids channel for more videos. In our next video, we will learn about pre-writing strokes.